Observe how beautiful and well coordinated colors look. It can be safely said that we are all inspired by nature. True, isn't it? This is the color wheel, and these are the primary colors: red, yellow, blue. If we combine the primary colors in equal proportions, we get the secondary colors: orange, purple, green. Do note that their positions are fixed. If you further combine the secondary colors, you will get what are called tertiary colors, or the colors of the third step from primary colors. They are the lighter and darker shades of the primary colors. Now, when you see these colors, they arouse a certain feeling, right? So, they have been correctly divided into cool and warm colors. Let's learn about color harmonies. What effect is created when colors appear in combination? Warm colors are energetic and cool colors have a calming effect. Look at them for a while and you will know the difference. Three colors are considered neutral. You guessed it right: white, black, and gray. The colors opposite each other on the color wheel, like these, are called complementary colors. It means they complement each other. If complementary colors are used together, the other colors may not be needed. Colors that come one after the other, like these, form the analogous color scheme. They usually match well and create calm and peaceful designs. They are harmonious and pleasing to the eye. Triadic color scheme uses colors that are placed around the color wheel, forming a triangle. One of the colors is chosen as prominent and the other two highlight the color further. They belong to the complementary section of the prominent color but are not exactly so. This color scheme is vibrant even when pale colors are used. Split complementary color scheme uses the colors next to the complementary color of the first color chosen, like this. It has the same visual contrast as the complementary colors, but the contrast is not so strong. Rectangle color scheme is actually a combination of two complementary colors, like this. This forms a rich color scheme and you can create a number of its variations. Square color scheme is similar to the rectangle color scheme, but the colors are evenly spaced, like this. The square color scheme works best if one of the colors is dominant. In the color schemes that use four colors, the warm and cool colors have to be balanced well. Next, let's learn about tints and shades. I know these words are used often, but I wonder if we all know their correct meaning. There it is. When I add white to a pure color from the color wheel, I have tints. Here I have tinted brown. When black is added to a pure color, the result is a shade. Here I have shades of brown going right up to black. But if I add gray to a pure color, then the result is tones. So, you all know about colors that will help you create designs that communicate with colors too.